What's going on, everybody? Wanted to come back to this rifle. So the last video got a lot of views and a lot of comments talking about what they thought was going to be wrong with the rifle, and majority of everybody on that video was correct. So the upper was not bad. It did have a small burr on the barrel extension, but the real problem that ended up being was the buffer spring and buffer itself was not strong enough to handle this rifle. So what I've done now is put a heavier buffer spring in it and a heavier buffer, and it runs flawlessly. Now, that does not change anything that I said on the previous video, which I will put somewhere up here, that I said about Bear Creek, because that video wasn't necessarily about the rifle being messed up. It was about the fact that they would not cover it or even inspect it with their lifetime warranty and how their customer service was. So I'm gonna try to make this video short. I'll run a magazine through this, and yeah, I'll put the links in the description for the parts that were used in case anyone else is having a similar problem. And I will also put the links for these if you're interested and got a 3D printer to print them out in the description. But other than that, let's see how this thing runs. As you can see, no issues. Still closes back just fine. Now, I will say I did give it a little bit of a harsh overlook when I did my review on it, but that video was more or less not a review on the gun, but a review on the company and the way they handled the situation. So I'm gonna keep this one short. If you like the content, like and subscribe, but leave a comment what I did right and what you think I could do better. And I'll see you next time.
Or humanity.